emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cuyahoga County, southwestern Geauga County, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a cluster of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm cluster was located from Euclid to Hunting Valley and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Solon, South Russell. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Geauga.
The forecast for Cleveland and